Hi friends, in this video we study about coordinate geometry. Here we study about that is a questions on comes on straight line form. So what is the coordinates? In two-dimensional geometry it is represented as x and y, where x and y are called as the coordinates, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. Suppose this is the straight line, and suppose this is the xy plane, then this horizontal line is called as the x coordinate and this is called as the y coordinate. It is y axis and this is x axis and y axis. Suppose there is any point, then we point this is we write this as x comma y. So along this x axis this is called as, this is the distance is x comes and this distance is suppose y. So the point P of x comma y. This is the next the distance between any 2 points, that is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is, that is the distance for me, that is suppose a and b are any 2 points, then distance between a b is, that is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next the coordinates of a point P of x comma y dividing the line joining the points a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 in the ratio m is to n, that is internally and externally divides the point. Suppose this is the line AB, suppose this is the line, that is AB, a coordinate is x1 comma y1, b coordinate is x2 comma y2. Suppose then P divides, you suppose this is the P divides AB in the ratio m is to n internally, then the formula is x comma y equal to mx2 plus n y x1 by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. And externally means, if suppose this is AB we consider and P consider here point, that is outside, this is P, then that divides in the ratio m is to n, then externally is formula is mx2 minus n x1 by m minus n comma this is whole is m and this is suppose this is n, the m minus n, m y2 minus n y1 by m minus n. So this is external and internal formulas. Next the midpoints of the line joining the points a of x1 comma y1 and b of x2 comma y2 is, midpoint of word comes, then x comma y is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. And one more formula is that the centroid of a triangle ABC whose vertices are a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 and c of x3 comma y3 is, that is x comma y equal to, the central formula comes, the coordinates are, it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. The area of a triangle formed by the points a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 and c of x3 comma y3 is delta equal to, remember this formula, delta equal to half of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. And we say that the 3 points a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2 and c of x3 comma y3 are collinear if area of a triangle is 0, that is if determinant equal to 0, then we say that the given 3 points are collinear, or AB plus BC equal to AC, and similarly BC plus AC equal to AB, or AB plus AC equal to BC, or slope of AB equal to slope of BC equal to slope of AC, means 3 lines whose slope should be equal, then we say that the given 3 points are collinear. Next, the slope of a straight line is given by m equal to tan theta. Now here all the formulas comes for straight line. Now so the slope of a straight line is m equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle between the line and x-axis. Similarly, the equation of a straight lines, these are y equal to mx plus c, where m is slope of the straight line, y is c is y-intercept, that is slope intercept form. Then equation of a straight line, one more formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 comma y1 is a point on the straight line and m is the slope of the straight line, and which is called as the slope point form. Similarly, one more equation is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, where x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are 2 points on the straight line, and this is called as the 2-point form. That is the equation of a straight line in 2-point form, and the slope of this form is, that is, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is nothing but slope in a 2-point form. Similarly, the general equation of a straight line is, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, whose slope is m equal to minus a by b, and y intercept is minus c by b, and x intercept is minus c by a. Similarly, the equation of a straight line in intercept form is, the equation of a straight line in intercept form, we write this as x by a plus y by b equal to 1. The equation of a straight line in slope intercept form, this comes. Then angle between the straight lines, angle between the two lines, that is a1x plus b1i plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2i plus c2 equal to 0, is given by tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 is nothing but slope of the first line and m2 is equal to nothing but slope of the second line, that is nothing but minus a1 by b1 and minus a2 by b2 respectively. And we say that the two lines are parallel. If m1 equal, if two lines are parallel, then m1 equal to m2, that is a1 b2 equal to a2 b1 comes, because m1 is minus a1 by b1 and m2 is minus a2 by b2, then cross multiplication we get this term. Similarly, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This is perpendicular whenever this product should be minus 1. Then minus 1 means from m1 and m2 we get, that is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. This is the condition for perpendicularity of the two lines. Now the equation of a line which is parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k equal to 0, means any line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k equal to 0, where k is any constant to be determined. Similarly, the equation of a perpendicular to the given line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0, where k is a constant to be determined, and the constant k is obtained when the line passes through a given point. And suppose if the straight line passes through the origin, then its equation is ax plus by equal to 0. Next one is equation of a x-axis is y equal to 0 and y-axis is x equal to 0. And next point is the slope of a line parallel to x-axis is 0 and perpendicular to x-axis is infinity. Next one more point comes, it is equation of a line parallel to x-axis is, the equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y equal to k and perpendicular to x-axis is x equal to k. Now on this method we solve some examples, so you can better understand. Here the first example is the centroid of a triangle formed by the vertices minus 10 comma 6 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 5 is. So the centroid of a triangle is, the formula is x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So 3 points are given, means x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 is given. So directly we write centroid equal to x comma y equal to, that is x1 means minus 10 plus 2 plus 2 by 3 comma y equal to means second values we take 6 minus 2 plus 5 by 3, that is minus 6 by 3, 9 by 3 equal to minus 2 comma 3. So here option is the first option is the right option, we can directly find. That is central formula apply, we get the solution. Next example is a point minus 4 comma 3 divides the line AB externally in the ratio 1:2, given a of minus 1 comma minus 3. Then the point B is, means a given point divides in the ratio 1:2 externally. External means here m and n are given, options are given as 6 comma minus 3, minus 10 comma 15, 2 comma 9 and 2 comma minus 9. So we apply the line dividing a point dividing given line externally, with that formula apply here. That formula is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So here point is already given, that is 4 minus 4 comma 3, and one point is given, a equal to given, a means x1 comma y1 is given. We find x2 comma y2. M comma n is also given. So mx2, x2 and y2 are unknowns here. M is 1 into x2 minus 2 into x1 is minus 1 by 1 minus 2, comma m is 1 into y2 minus 2 into minus 3 by 1 minus 2, that comes minus of 1 minus 2 is minus of x2 plus 2, comma minus of y2 plus 6. So therefore equating both sides, the coordinates are same, therefore that gives minus of x2 plus 2 equal to minus 4 and minus of y2 plus 6 equal to 3. So by simplification we get x2 equal to 4 minus 2, and throughout minus and take right hand side, that becomes y2 equal to minus 3, this comes right hand side minus 6. So therefore x2 equal to 2 and y2 equal to minus 9. So therefore the last option is the right option. So by simplification we get this one. Next one, the area of a triangle formed by the points 3 comma minus 1, 2 comma 0 and k comma 4 is 10 square units. Then the value of k is, which question is asked in 2015. Options are 12, 7, minus 22 and 22. So we know that the area of a triangle formula is delta equal to half of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 points are given. So I substitute here the half of delta equal to half of determinant of 3 minus 1 1, 2 0 1, k4 1, and area is delta value is also given, that is 10 equal to half of this determinant. So to take left hand side, that is 20 equal to x1 in this determinant, we get 3 into bracket 0 into 1 is 0 minus 4 minus 1, this becomes plus 1 into bracket 2 into 1 is 2 minus k plus 1 into bracket 8 minus 0. So therefore 20 equal to, this comes minus 12, this is 1 is 2 minus k plus 8, that is equal to, by simplification we get minus 2 minus k. So therefore k equal to, k take right hand side and this 20 take left hand, k take left hand side, 20 take right hand side, k equal to minus 2 minus 20 comes minus 22. So therefore this is the option 3 is the right option. And note, area is always a positive quantity. If negative value comes, we can take positive also, because the next one more example I will explain that one. So remember, whenever find the area means you apply this formula. Next, the slope of the line joining the points minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 6 is 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. We know that the slope of the slope is in a 2-point form. The slope is value is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here x1 y1 and x2 y2 2 points are given. So y2 means minus 6, y1 is that is 3 minus 3 by x2 is 4 minus of x1 is minus 2, that is minus 9 by 6 equal to minus 3 by 2. So therefore second option is the right option. This is the option minus 3 by 2. Similar, the next example, that is the equation of a straight line passing through 4 comma minus 1 and having equal intercept is x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. So whenever this type of question comes, we have in 4 options, we have to substitute x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1, where it satisfies the equation, that is the exact that is the nothing but the answer. If we suppose here x equal to 4, y equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, 4 minus 1, it does not satisfy the equation equal to 0. If suppose here x equal to 4, y equal to minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 5, that is not equal to 0. Here this is x equal to 4, substitute. Here we substitute x equal to 4, y equal to minus 1 and this is minus 3, that is equal to 0. So therefore this is the right answer. This is the shortcut method whenever this type of question comes, whenever point is given and equation is given, you have to substitute the points, and which is equation satisfied, that is nothing but the solution. Here this is not satisfied, this is also not satisfied, this is also not satisfied. And the method is now, that is equation of a straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by a equal to 1. Consider equation 1. So what is given here? Equal intercepts, means a equal to b is given, and the points, suppose this equation passes through the point 4 comma minus 1, means x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1, substitute. So we get 4 by a minus 1 by a equal to 1, that is 3 by a equal to 1. This implies a equal to 3. If a equal to 3 means b equal to also again 3, because intercepts are equal. So therefore equation 1 becomes, that is x by 3 plus y by 3 equal to 1. Then 3 take right hand side, that gives x plus y equal to 3, or x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, that is 3 comes left hand side. So therefore third option is the right option. So better whenever the points is given, we have to substitute that point in these 4 equations and we check. So which is satisfy the given equation, that is nothing but a right answer. Remember this one. Next, the equation of the line passing through 5 comma minus 2 and parallel to the line 3x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Any equation parallel to the equation, that is the equation of a straight line parallel to x plus by plus a equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k equal to 0. We know that this is the method, but here in all the options we have to check, put x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2 and check which is the right answer, that is nothing but the required solution. We satisfy the equation, given equation, that is the required solution. If we substitute here x is equal to, in first option, x is equal to 3 means 15 plus y equal to 4, 15 plus y equal to minus 2 means 15 minus 4 is 11, 11 minus 11 0, means this is the right answer, because here substitute x equal to 5, as 3 minus 5 is 15, minus the y is equal to minus 2 means minus 4 minus 11, which satisfies the required solution, that is equal to 0 comes. So therefore first option is the right option. This simplest method is. Now if you here substitute, 3 plus 15 is, that is nothing but 15 minus 2 plus 2 is 4, that is comes, that is plus 4 comes. So 4 plus this is 11 means 30 comes, which is not equal to 0, which is not equal to 0. So this is also not equal to 0, this is also not equal. Therefore first option is the right option. Or the method is, we go to the method, any line parallel to this line is 3x plus 2y plus 7 is 3x plus 2y plus k equal to 0, take. Then substitute, since it passes through the point 5 comma minus 2, given point passes, so therefore put x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2, then we get k equal to minus 11. So therefore the required line is 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. Here substitute k equal to minus 11, which is a solution. Similar next example is, the distance of a point p of minus 2 comma 5 from the origin is root 29, root 21, root 3 and 29. So here distance formula, we apply distance formula from the origin. Distance formula is nothing but, that is distance formula OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square, that is OP equal to square root of x means here minus 2 square plus 5 square, that is root of 4 plus 25 is root 29. Therefore first option is the right option. Next example is, the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points a of 8 comma 3 and b of minus 5 comma 6 in the ratio of 2:3 externally is, means externally division. External division is, the formula is, that is m into x2 minus n into x1 by m minus n, comma y x2 minus m y2 minus n y1 by m minus n. That is the formula. So here x comma y point comes, that is nothing but x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So here m is 2 into minus 5 minus 3 into 8 by 2 minus 3, comma 2 into 6 minus 3 into 3 by 2 minus 3. By substituting, simple substitution, we get the solution x comma y is 34 comma minus 3. In formula we can substitute. Next, the area of a triangle with vertices 5, 3, 4, 6 and 5, 8 is 15 by 2 square units. Second option is 15 square units. Third option is 5 by 2 square units. Fourth option is 45 by 2 square units. We know that area of a triangle, what is the formula? Delta equal to half of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So points are given x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Substitute here, delta equal to half of determinant of 5 3 1, 4 6 1, 5 8 1. x1 in this determinant we get it is half of into bracket 5 into bracket 6 minus 8 minus 3 into bracket 4 minus 5 plus 1 32 minus 30. That is nothing but half of into bracket minus 10 plus 3 plus 2. That comes minus 5 by 2. But your area is always a positive. So we get modulus of that value minus 5 by 2 5 by 2 square units, because here is no negative value. So this is the right option, because area will always take a positive value. The next example is the slope of the line making an angle 150 degree with the x-axis. The slope formula is m equal to tan theta. That is slope m equal to tan theta, that is tan of 150 degree. 150 degree, we write it as tan of 180 minus 30 degree. So 180 minus 30 degree lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative, that is equal to minus tan 30, and tan 30 degree is minus 1 by root 3. So therefore first option is the right option. Next example is the equation of a straight line perpendicular to 2x plus 5 minus 8 equal to 0 and passing through minus 1 comma 2 is 2x plus 5 plus 9 equal to 0, 5x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, 5x plus 2y plus 9 equal to 0, 5x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. So what we do here? In all the options we have to substitute x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 2, and which equation is satisfies, that is nothing but our solution. So in the first equation, so put x equal to minus 1 means 2 into minus 1 is, that comes minus 2. Here you see minus 2 plus 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 2 is which is not satisfied. 10 minus 2 is 8 plus 9 13, which is not equal to 0. So if you substitute here, 5 1s are minus 5, this is minus 4 minus, which is also not equal to 0 comes. Next if you substitute here, 5 1s are minus 5, minus 5 plus this is minus 9. Okay, this equation satisfies, because x equal to minus 5 means this comes minus 5. If y is equal to 2 means minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, that is plus 9, which is equal to 0. So therefore third option is the right option. Next example is, or the method is here, any line perpendicular to 2x plus 5 minus 8 equal to 0 is, that is 5x minus 2y plus k equal to 0. A and b interchanged here, and then substituting that passes through the point minus 1 comma 2, then find the k value and then substitute the in equation, we get the solution. Next one is the equation of a line passing through the point 1 comma minus 3 and having slope 1 by 2 is, again a same method. The equation options are given here, x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 7 equal to 0, x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So what we do here, we substitute the point in equations and check which satisfies which equation satisfies, that is nothing but solution. So if you substitute here, that is a one method, or you can check. So I solve here. We know that the slope point form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So therefore y into bracket minus of minus 3, because x1 equal y1 is minus 3 and x1 is 1 by 2 x minus 1. Cross multiplication we get, that is 2y plus 6 equal to x minus 1. Therefore x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. So first option is the right option. If you substitute the point, this is x equal to 1 minus 2 into y is minus 3, minus 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 7, that is minus 7, which is equal to 0. We can by checking method, inspection method also we get the same solution. So therefore first option is the right option. Similarly the next example here, the equation of a line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to the line 5x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 is, that is 5x plus 3y minus 19 equal to 0, 5x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, 5x plus 3y plus 19 equal to 0, 3x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0. So first one is, we have to check where is the 5x plus 3y. Parallel means the same comes, 5x plus 3y here, all the terms 5x plus 3y and 5x plus 3y. Means in any first, second and third one, we put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. By inspection method, we get the solution. The solution should be, second option is the right option. 5x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 is the required equation. That is, this equation satisfies the, this is whenever we substitute the points, we satisfy the equation. And we method is, any line perpendicular to 5x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 is 5x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. Since it passes through minus 2 comma 3, so therefore put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. We get k value, k equal to 1, and substitute k equal to 1 means 5x plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So second option is the right option. Next, this is the formula. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1, 1:2, 1:1 and 1:4. So first option is the right option. Centroid divides median in the ratio 2:1. Okay, next example is, the coordinates of a point which divides the line joining of the points a plus b comma a minus b and a minus b comma a plus b in the ratio 2:3 is. Options are 5a plus 5b by 5, 5a minus 5b by 5, a plus b by 5 comma a minus b by 5, 5a plus b divided by 5, 5a minus b by 5, and fourth option is 5a minus b by 5, a plus 5b by 5. So here denominator is, all the terms 5 is the denominator. So therefore the points divides internally. The point divides the given these 2 points internally. So apply, that is x1 y1 are a plus b a minus b, x2 y2 are a minus b a plus b, m is to m and m is equal to 1, n is equal to 3, m is to n is 2 by 3, 2:3. So therefore the point x comma y is, we substitute here, that is m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma m y2 plus m y1 by n y1 by m plus n. So by applying the, so all the points here substituting, we get 5a plus b by 5 and 5a minus b by 5. So therefore third option is the right option. By simplification we get this one. So remember that formula, you get the solution. Next one is, the equation of straight line passing through 2 comma 3 and x intercept is twice its y intercept is. First one is x plus 2y equal to 8, x minus 2y equal to 8, third one is x plus y equal to 4 and 2x plus 2y equal to 8. So again point is given and equations are given. So by inspection method check which satisfies the required equation, that is another solution. If x equal to 2, 2 plus y equal to 3, 2 3 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, means the first option is the right option. By inspection we get, if suppose here we substitute in third option, x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 is not equal to 4, therefore this is not equation. X equal to 2, 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 4, x equal to 2, 2 2s are 4. Wait a minute. X equal to 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6, 4 plus 6 is, that comes 10, 10 is not equal to 8. So therefore we satisfy equation, first option first option we satisfy given equation, therefore it is a solution. Or we solve the by method is, equation of a straight line intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is the intercept method, equation line in intercept form. So what is the given, x intercept is twice y intercept, means a equal to 2b, and put x equal, and which passes through the point 2 comma 3, therefore equation passes through the point 2 comma 3. So we get it is 2 by a equal to b plus 3 by b equal to 1. So that is equal 2 by 2b plus 6 by 2b equal to, because multiplying this equation by 2 numerator denominator, that is 8 by 2b equal to 1, that gives b equal to 4. When b equal to 4, a equal to 8. So substitute a and b in equation 1, we get x by 8 plus y by 4 equal to 1. So cross multiplication or multiplying this one, we taking LCM, we have x plus 2y by 8 equal to 1 or x plus 2y equal to 8. So first option is the right option. So whenever equation of straight line, this type of question comes, maximum one question comes like this one, you can check by inspection method, and that is the exact solution come. Okay, so we stop here. Thank you.